So do you ever feel like you have too many things on your plate? You are the CEO of your business, you're the CEO of your house, you're the CEO of the cleaning, you just do everything and you're kind of sick of it. And you don't have time to not be stressed. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I teach busy working moms like you easy, doable ways to gain time back in your day, learn how to create boundaries, meditate, and make space for those relationships that you actually care about. I've been meditating for over 15 years, and also I'm a busy working mom myself. So the tips that I have learned, I'd like to share with you. Today, I'd like to talk about my 3 favorite things that have decreased my stress load. Here we go. The first thing that has decreased my stress load is, spoiler, it's to meditate. So meditation has decreased my stress load so much. That's why I'm so passionate about telling other people about it. And if you want to learn how to meditate, you can click the link below. There's a 5-minute guided meditation. Let's move on to the next one. The second thing that has decreased my stress load is to hire a cleaning person. So am I an incessant cleaner? A little bit. Yeah, I like things very clean. Because not seeing stuff on the counter and knowing that everything is clean takes one thing off my list, and it just makes me feel better. It physically makes me feel better. So whatever it is for you that makes you feel better, feel free to delegate that out. The money spent that I have my house cleaned is worth so much more to me than the anxiety and stress that I get when my house is dirty and I don't have time to clean it. That's my second biggest stress reliever. My third biggest stress reliever is exercise. So exercise can be incredibly hard to get started, especially if you're like in a slump. But once you find the thing that you like, you can just do that thing. So if you like to walk, that's it. You don't have to go do an Ironman. If you want to, go fight wind, do it. But if all you want to do is walk, do that a few times a week and see how your mental faculties are. My favorite exercise is to swim, and so that's what I do. I swim a few days a week. It makes me really happy. It decreases my stress response, and I've been doing that forever. And at least I found out the thing that I like. Those are my 3 things. Those are the 3 things that decrease my stress, and I want you to find out the 3 things that decrease your stress. And if you need some space to figure out how to do that, click the link below for a 5-minute guided meditation to get you in the right headspace for that. I want you to remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people. I'm so happy you're here.